How to start a career in web development. Web development is a dynamic and rewarding field that offers numerous opportunities for creativity and professional growth. As businesses and organizations increasingly rely on online presence, the demand for skilled web developers continues to rise. Here's a guide to help you start a successful career in web development. Understanding web development. Web development involves constructing and preserving websites and web applications. It can be broadly divided into three categories: front-end, back-end development, and full-stack development. Front-end development. Front-end developers focus on the visual aspects and user experience. Back-end development. Back-end developers handle server-side logic, databases, and application functionality. Full-stack development. Full-stack developers combine both skills, allowing them to build complete web applications from scratch. Acquiring the necessary skills. To start a career, you need to acquire a solid foundation of technical skills. Begin with learning JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, the core technologies of the web. These languages are vital for creating interactive and responsive websites. Many free resources, such as Codecademy, Free Code Camp, and Mozilla Developer Network, MDN, offer comprehensive tutorials and projects to help you master these skills. Once you have a grasp of the basics, consider learning a front-end framework like React, Angular, or Vue.js. These frameworks modernize the development process and are highly sought after by employers. On the back-end side, familiarize yourself with server-side languages like Node.js, Python, Ruby, or PHP, and learn about MySQL, PostgreSQL, and MongoDB. Building a portfolio. What to include? A strong portfolio is crucial for showcasing your skills and attracting potential employers or clients. Start by building simple projects and gradually move on to more complex ones. Your portfolio should include a variety of projects, demonstrating your ability to manage different aspects of web development. Examples might include a personal blog, a task management app, or an e-commerce site. Best practices. Use platforms like GitHub to host your projects and collaborate with others. Contributing to open-source projects can also be a great way to gain experience and improve your coding skills. Make sure your portfolio is well-organized, visually appealing, and easy to navigate, as this reflects your attention to detail and design sensibilities. Networking and professional development. Networking is an essential part of building a successful career. Continuous learning is vital, as the field evolves rapidly. Online communities and forums join online communities and various web development forums to connect with other developers, seek advice, and stay updated on industry trends. Meetups and conferences. Attend local meetups, workshops, and conferences to meet professionals in the field and learn from their experiences. Professional organizations. Consider joining professional organizations, such as the International Association of Web Developers, IIAWD, to access resources, training, and networking opportunities. Continuous learning. Stay current by reading blogs, following influential developers on social media, and taking online courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Pluralsight. Applying for jobs. Preparing your application. When you feel confident in your skills and have a solid portfolio, start applying for web development positions. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your relevant skills, experiences, and projects. Emphasize your ability to solve problems, work in a team, and adapt to new technologies. Acing the technical interview. Prepare for technical interviews by practicing coding challenges on websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, and CodeSignal. Be ready to discuss your projects in detail, explaining your design choices, the technologies you used, and the challenges you faced. Freelancing and entrepreneurship. Freelancing. If you prefer flexibility and independence, consider starting as a freelance web developer. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer opportunities to find clients and build a reputation. Freelancing allows you to work on a variety of projects, gain diverse experience, and develop a strong network of clients. Entrepreneurship. Alternatively, you can start your own web development business. This path requires not only technical skills, but also business acumen, including marketing, client management, and financial planning. Many successful web developers eventually branch out into entrepreneurship, creating their own startups or digital agencies.